Hey yo guys, what's up? It is 3258 Designs. I was about to say another YouTube channel name. I'm not sure why. But today I'm going to show you guys how to make a cool graffiti font. Well, not a font. And a cool 3D graffiti composition with Cinema 4D and Photoshop. And that's about it. So, yeah. So let's just let this come up. I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a while. I'll get back on this stuff. But thank you. I just looked at one of my videos and it had 853 views. Hooray. That's a humongous achievement for me. And I just kind of found that out because I haven't looked on the channel for a while. I was just like kind of like, whoa, what just happened? So yeah, let's get this started. So go to MoGraph, MoText, and if that will load up, and just type in whatever you want. I do graffiti. Next week's video I'll show you my black book. So yeah, so just type in whatever you want. I'll type in my name, Jake. Let's kind of do it in all capital letters, makes it look better. Now there's a lot of graffiti fonts out there, but there's certain ones that I prefer, like Graph. I'll show you it. Graph. It's called Graph P. I know it sounds ridiculous. Put it in bold, and I'm gonna make it like 72. Doesn't really change it, but okay. I'll make that about 400. Keeps wanting me to upgrade. I will be getting release 13 soon, so that's something you guys have to look forward to. So this is where we are right now. I know it doesn't really look like my name, Jake, but yeah, we'll make that look a little bit better. So you want to make the horizontal spacing less, because graffiti letters are a lot of the times close together. And there's a couple ways you can do graffiti. In this one I'm gonna do just regular 3D, so I'm gonna make it about 80 deep. I'm gonna rotate it this way a little bit, so we get that nice looking style. So let's render this real quick. I was just checking something. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do it like Jake. Okay, apparently that doesn't change anything. So we're gonna press this and press that. Actually, no, I have it in here. I'm gonna go to my content browser, if that will load up for me. My materials, and I'm gonna bring down this nice grungy material. Now black will be my front and blue will be my back, and I'll show you what I mean by that in a minute. So I'm gonna go Control C, Control V on that, and I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna make this a dark gray. Right there. Exit out of that. And I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna make it right there, if that will load up. Okay, so this one will go next, and this one's gonna be C1. No, C1, like that. And as you can see, with it, you get these as blue and this as a gray color. But what we're going to do is we're going to go back into the content browser, and I'll have this for you guys soon because you guys are so nice. I'll have all these lights and materials, and so yeah, and I'll put this softbox overhead. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in another light set that will actually do something for me. I'll bring in this light cloner, put it right here, bring it up top a little bit, To make it look really nice, go to global illumination. Go to your ambient occlusion. And then just find a really nice angle to work with. Like right here is pretty good. And press render. So give that some time to render. And it comes out really nice. As you can see, there's not enough light, so we're going to go back to our light cloner, press Control C, Control V. Let's see how much time we got up on the clock here. Only 5 minutes, okay. So you're just going to rotate this a little bit. Pull it down. No. This thing is being really incompetent right now. Zoom it out, bring it back out, zoom back in, bring back down, do this, just render that. So this one should look pretty better. Okay, that one looks a lot better. Text right here, move that right there, and I'm going to change my dimensions and stuff to 1280 by 720. Douche. I'm just going to save it as Jake Graph. Save. So I'm going to render this, guys, and then I'll get back at you when I'm done. So I'm back, and this is the final image. So once you're in that, press Control T, and I'm just gonna, Enter, Control Z. I'm gonna press Control T for the free transform, and hold Shift and bring that down to about right. This is not very compatible right now, like that. Bring that about right there. Now there's a lot of backgrounds that you can choose from, but I have this really nice brush background that I found online on DeviantArt, and it has all these nice backgrounds for nice backgrounds. They're really nice to have in your collection of brushes. As you can see, I'm gonna turn that to black and white. Sorry, that was getting in my way. I'm going to make a new layer, and then bring that down, and I'm going to do this. Make one layer like that, and then I'm going to use the final one. Make a new layer, and do that one. And I'll do one more. Perfect. And then behind all that, we'll just put a white background. So like there. Now this is our background. So I made this really nice abstract thing that I'll try to leave in the description. It's this thing right here, abstract awesome. I know I'm so creative with names, aren't I? So I'm just gonna Control C, Control V. I'm just gonna make this really nice kind of shardy background. Control C. Make this a little bit smaller. Enter. Control J. Control T. Just kind of. As you can see, that's a really nice background. Just take all of these and merge those layers. Make another layer. Make it main color white. And I got some really nice brushes, if I can find them. Here they are. And if you hear anything, that's my parents talking. But yeah, just kind of add these as much as you want. So just add these in a really nice pattern if you need to, like that one. So that's about it. If you want to add some more stuff, you can, to make it look more graffiti-like to you. And we're gonna have to make this stand out a little bit more. Adjustments, curves, because those two blend in too much together. So one needs to be a little bit darker so one stands out more. So yeah, this is a pretty nice canvas. It's not the greatest thing, but it's a good start for whoever's doing virtual graph. And as I told you, I'll post a graffiti video either Wednesday or Friday, whenever. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you later. Bye bye.